Did you know a doctor spent 60 years cracking the knuckles on only one hand to prove a point? Dr. Donald Unger thought the whole cracking knuckles causes arthritis thing was nonsense. So he ran the experiment on himself. Every day for 6 decades, he cracked his left hand and left his right hand completely alone. At the end, he compared both hands. Zero arthritis on either side. He actually won an Ig Nobel Prize for it in 2009. So next time someone tells you to stop cracking your knuckles, the science says you're fine.